You can just rip it right here.
Oh.
Cool.
Oh, Steve likes that one. I'm going to put yours right beside the chair.
Oh!
It's a real piggy bank. Be careful, it's really glass.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with it. It's fragile, just like Sophie's.
Like that.
I like this piggy bank.
Yeah, that's neat, man.
Let's see what else says.
It's just like the one I have, but it's bigger. It's a big old piggy bank.
Isaac, I think there's one in the corner over there for you.
Oh, yeah. I'm just going to
Here it is.
hand them out and then we
Here.
can...
This is for me right here.
It is? Who's that
You
from?
want to save this paper too, hon?
No.
Great grandma and grandpa.
So can I open this one because it's mine?
Yeah, sure. Let me do this.
Go ahead and hand them out and we can just take away. Yeah, the other one is like this big.
It's a book.